Hey guys, this is me Hashta and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll see how to make this yummy finger licking Andhra style fish curry. These are the ingredients required for this recipe. Now without further ado, let's get started. Heat a pan, add about half a cup of oil. Fish curry needs a lot of oil. Now add 1 spoon of black mustard seeds. When it starts fluttering, add half spoon of Menthya or Fenugreek seeds. Add 2 spoons of gram dal and urad dal. I don't know why this autofocus is acting crazy, but anyways, add 1 cup of onion, that is 1 big size onion thinly sliced. Saute it for a minute or 2. Add 5 to 6 green chilies. Add half a spoon of turmeric powder and just saute it. Here I have 1 cup of tamarind juice, that is, take about half handful of tamarind and soak it in some water. Now add 3 to 4 spoons of chili powder. You can add as per your requirement. Now add 1.5 spoon of rock salt, or you can use the normal sea salt as well. Now just give it a good mix. When it comes to boil, add 3/4 cup of water to just adjust the consistency. Now add 1 spoon of sugar. I'm adding some chili powder to adjust the spice level. Now give it a good mix. I tasted it and I felt it required some salt, so I'm adding some salt. Now give it a good mix. Here I have 500 grams of fish. I've used Anjal fish here. Now add in the pieces slowly. Before that, make sure you wash the fishes well with some salt and turmeric. Now give it a good mix. Now cook it on low to medium flame for about 5 minutes until the fish cooks really well. This is how they mix without a spatula, so that we don't end up breaking the pieces. You can do it this way or gently mix it using a spatula. That's it guys, this is a super simple recipe. Make sure you try it at home and let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.